Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're going to unbox with care this package. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a package from an online transaction in Shopee. Let's just rip it out and see what we have. So this is non-Heroclix related. Okay, so it's a box with a thank you sticker and from any category ACG Shopee store. So check them out. And this is also one of the places I get my Xmen fix, but not Heroclix, as I said, more of Xmen cards. So thank you very much, ACG, for protecting the package. Ooh, and I see immediately freebies. Okay, Naruto freebies. Okay, I don't understand Japanese, but I imagine this would be the birthday, height, the power scale, and I don't know. And on the other hand, we also have, other side, we have some few more freebies. 10 here. These three are the subordinates of Sasuke, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's open up. As I said, what I have here should be Xmen, and there they are. Okay, Xmen. Let's take out the freebies first. Ooh, foiling. Okay, this seems to be part of a card game. You can see attack and probably defense. Power here. Okay, but I am, as I said, not familiar with the game. Okay. Let's take them out. Ooh. Okay. Shiny cards. Always good. But we'll set them aside for now. Do you want to see Naruto in Heroclix form? I think that will be good. There's a lot of things we can do with Naruto, like equipments, summons, colossals, okay, and synergy, team abilities of the different ninja villages. Okay, that sounds actually amazing. So perhaps in the future we get that in Unclixed form. Okay, so you can see we have here two piles of Xmen. Okay, I think Sir Greg, because the first pile or some of the cards I ordered here are way back. Okay, literally like 6 months at least purchase. And he was kind enough to hold on to some of my few orders. Okay, and then finally I decided to ship out those old orders together with some new acquisitions in his online shop. Okay, and we have here this one. I don't remember. This might be a freebie from the Punisher. Okay, Kingpin. Okay, I'm only interested, of course, in Xmen characters like Tag. Okay, and I hope we get a Heroclix figure of Tag. Okay, I've read him in one of the Xmen covers, or comics rather, and he seems to have an interesting power. I hope we get Tag in Heroclix form. Prodigy, Darwin looks menacing here. He doesn't need a gun though. He can do He can adapt. Okay, and I guess he adapted by getting a gun. Cypher, Dupe, okay, Xman. By the way, you can see that the cards are protected. Okay, I did not expect that it will have its sleeves. So thank you, Sir Greg, for that consideration. Okay, always protects the card from packaging. Okay, I hope we get the new Xmen. Chamber, Domino, Blink, okay, Dr. Nemesis. Okay, we haven't had the Dr. Nemesis in Modern for the longest time, so I hope we get him. Marrow, Phantom X with that comic style treatment. Okay, this one I'm not sure if I already have in my collection, but I included it anyway. I'll probably just sell it if I already have it. This is the old 1990 Marvel X-Men card. Okay, I feel I already have this. A good card anyway. We have Colossus, Thunderbird, Jamie Madrox, Hepzibah. Okay. Most of these are 2020 Marvel Ages cards. And you can see at the back there are some brief description of the character. Okay. It's a cardboard. It felt really like an old school cardboard at the back. Front also, no shiny. I guess these are commons from Upper Deck. Captain Britain, okay, with the Sword of Might. Nice, nice. Moon Boy. Not directly X-Men, but he is a mutant. There, a mutant. Moon Boy instantly made a connection with Devil Dinosaur, who he rescued from his tribe. Okay. Corsair. A mean-looking Caliban. Siren. Okay, mean-looking as well. Rachel Summers. Rachel, not Hope. Okay. Sage. Guardian. We haven't had a Guardian for the longest time. Alpha Flight in Heroclix form would be greatly appreciated. Okay, and I guess the foiling here means it's authentic. Everyone should have that. There you go. Lich with a Fantastic Four Future Foundation outfit. Looks good. Magma. Sunspat. Puma. We don't have a Heroclix version of Puma yet. An Unclixed character, so perhaps we can get one. Forge. And then this one, Extended Claws Wolverine. Also Marvel Ages, but it's a different variant, I guess. Okay. It's a toy variant. I love it. And then Marvel Annual Final Sanction Wolverine. You can pause the video if you want to read it. The phalanx. And then the bloody battle between Wolverine and Sabretooth. Battles masterpieces. Okay, let's read it. Happy birthday, Wolverine. Every year on his birthday, no matter where he is, Wolverine can expect an aggressively unfriendly visit from his monstrous enemy, the raging mutant Sabretooth. The two warriors were part of Canada's top-secret Weapon X project and are the result of government experimentation and bioengineering. The two were evenly matched, sporting deadly claws, enhanced animalistic strength, and the ability to heal their wounds almost instantly. That latter is especially fortunate as the gashes certainly came fast and furious when these two mutant behemoths tangle. So, birthday gift for Wolverine is a good old bloody battle. Okay, so those are our hauls for this batch of Heroclix cards, Xmen cards. Okay, not Heroclix cards. We're gonna put them on the binder with, again, a special request. Hopefully, WizKids watch this, that we get a tag and Puma in future in Heroclix form. Bye-bye!